Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna move the car.
I found
This guy.
I found a
You
ride,
stole it.
by the way.
This is not yours.
Oh, it's trying to
Bro,
get
hands up, hands up, hands up, out of the vehicle. Wait a second, I know you.
Yo, what's up,
I
Beast
was
Bro?
taking your car!
No! Don't take my car, don't take my car, don't take my car.
Uh-huh. How you gonna get in, huh? You know what? I'll just steal that dump truck, actually. Dude, please get away from me.
Get back.
What are you gonna do, huh?
Get
Arrest me?
back.
What are you gonna do, arrest me?
Get back.
No. Yeah, I'll just steal a dump truck. I'm tired of you.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
I used to
Hey,
be
don't-
famous.
Don't get hit by a
What's
car.
what's your name, dude?
Daniel.
Daniel? Okay, what's your last name?
I was from the damn Daniel vines. They took
Oh,
down Vine and they also
Oh,
took
wait,
my
wait,
money.
wait.
wait, can you do it? Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you do
Can you
it?
do it?
No, I'm not the one who said it.
Ah, dang, that's freaked up.
You
that's
sound
freaked
like
up.
him. Damn,
Oh, shoot.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
I'm gonna move the car, I'm gonna move the car, I'm gonna move the car, I'm gonna move the car. I can't move the car, I can't move the car. Oh. I'm gonna move the car.
This guy.
I found a
You
ride,
stole it.
by the way.
This is not yours.
I found the ride.
Keep this away from me.
I asked for a ride, and you guys never gave me a ride.
That doesn't mean you can steal a goddamn dump truck.
What are you gonna
No.
do?
Get out of
Hey,
it.
What is going on
Don't
over
tase
here?
Get back in and I'll shoot you.
Don't shoot me.
Fuck, you just fucking run me over.
Hey, sir,
Yo, we sprung?
Sir, can you like get out of here?
Get the fuck out the
Yeah, I'm
truck.
leaving.
Oh shoot, Will's gone.
Get out the dump truck. Get out the dump truck. I'm gonna
Yo,
shoot you.
please don't shoot. Don't shoot, please.
Get out the
Please,
dump truck. I'm gonna
please
shoot
don't
you.
shoot.
I'm gonna shoot you in your head.
Yo, please.
He's about to run me over.
Give me a ride. Give me a
I got
ride.
some cop training.
I have to get every cop on you in the state of Los Santos. Oh, no, not Los Santos, Blaine County. No, just told me to find a ride, so I did find a ride. Pull the dump truck over. I don't want them to shoot out my tires. These are probably bulletproof, but I got this guy recording.
Stop it. Stop.
What are they gonna do? Block me? Oh, and there's no getting away, so I'm screwed on that one. Oh, I didn't even mean to clip him.
Oh, it's trying to
Bro,
go
hands up, hands up, hands up, out of the
Hey,
vehicle.
hey.
Wait a second, I know you.
Yo, what's up,
I was
Eastman?
taking a car!
No, don't take my car, don't take
Hey,
my car, don't take my car. Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yo.
Ridiculous, bro. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Get out of here, get out of here.
Yo, I
get out
drew that X-ray of getting
of
away.
here. Yo, that's buzzing, that's buzzing.
Help
I
me,
didn't know it
please.
was you, bro.
What do you think it was?
Bro, I don't know, some freaking crack job, like, I don't know. I don't know.
I mean,
Bro,
you
we're
get
actually getting
talking to
away,
him.
bro.
Yes, sir. Dude,
Yo.
we get away, dude. Oh,
Dude, how
my.
did you do that, bro?
Who knows?
You really did him dirty, dog. Hey, yo, pull up, Hey, yo, try to steal
What's up?
something.
I bet. Let's go up into the mountains first.
Go, no, go to 68, go to the clothing store, change up, and then
Brian, we're far away.
take something. Huh? Oh. Okay, we good.
Buddy, I'm gonna explore this. We good. Hope there's no helicopter.
Yo, you have any food?
No,
I'm ready to die.
I don't have anything.
Shoot, man.
Dude, the cops, I was kidnapped by this helicopter. Cops told me to find my own ride, so I stole a dump truck.
Bro, that's nutty. Wait, why'd you do that, bro? You like destroyed him.
Destroyed what?
The freaking cops, bro. And the big
Dude, I'm
thing.
good at it.
Is that it?
Damn it.
I would take that, to be
I
honest.
wanted
the
to
dirt
take
bike.
it, but it was going too
Yeah.
fast.
Bro, what's your name again? Oh, hit him. Yep. Oh, yo.
You can have your car. Or you can get on.
Okay, thank you.
Meet me
Yo,
at the
wait,
clothing
wait, wait,
store in
what do you
Pluto.
want me? What do you want your description to be, bro?
Just come inside the clothing store in Pluto.
Alright.
Guys, did like the video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and that's how you get away from a slowest vehicle in the game, which is a dump truck, and everybody in the server that is online as a cop. That's how you get away. Peace out. Hope you guys did enjoy.